Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio. I'm just giving some tours of some of our tools here, and I've got 3 of our profile shaping ribs, and then I have 2 of our basic rib tools here. So these pots were all thrown on the wheel with about 1.25 pounds, maybe between 1.25 pounds of clay. This is standard 112 clay, so it's a buff speckle. And I start off centering, and then I always use our number 10 rib, which is our big shark fin, to just help profile up. It gives you a nice cylinder. And then I always finish with our mini shark fin foot tool here. We have other foot tools, but this is my preferred one because it gives this really nice bevel at the bottom. And then I can choose to trim or not trim. So here is our number 18. You'll see it looks a lot like our number 1 with the S curve, but it gives you this really beautiful bump there. So here's your finished version. And you can make these taller. I've made vases in taller forms with these before. Let's see, can you see the profile? There we go. So that just gives you like that nice bump, gives you a little bit of visual interest here, and you can see the glaze pulls in really nicely there. This is a band that I can leave raw or I can glaze over. And then we are using for these 3 pots our new square rim cone tool here. So I'll show you the tops of all these with that nice square with no darting. Okay, so now we have our number 22, which is a very similar shape. We love the S shape around here. And this gives you 3 bumps in and 1 bump at the top. And I'll show you what the finished version of that looks like. So again, just gives you a little bit more of a visual interest. It's really great for texture, really great for glazes that break over texture. And then helps you with that S-shaped form, which is really nice to drink from. And then we have our 4-point square top here with our rim cone. Again, I came through with our mini shark fin, and that's what gives me that really nice sharp foot at the bottom. So this is our number 22. And then lastly, we have, I went a little bit out of order here. Here's our number 21. So very similar here. You're going to have 2 bumps at the bottom, 1 bump at the top. And again, you're just going to get a little bit of a different effect here, a little bit more visual interest for your pot. Really easy way to just add texture, give your glaze a place to pool. And we finished this one again with the round rim cone. So we have our 18, our 22, and our 21 here, all finished with the square rim cone, all started with the large shark fin, the number 10, and then our mini shark fin foot tool to finish the bottoms. Let us know if you have any questions, guys.